Alright, so you've got this shiny new Chime card, and you're wondering how to actually put money on it. Right? I mean, it's a great card, but it's basically just a fancy piece of plastic without any cash, right? Don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of people ask me this. So let's dive in and figure out how to turn that plastic into something with a little more spending power. Now, I know what you're thinking. It should be simple, right? Just pop into an ATM, shove some cash in, and voila. You're rich. But, unfortunately, Chime doesn't work like that. It's a bit different, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty easy. There are a few main ways to load up your Chime card. Let's start with the most common and probably the easiest for most people, direct deposit. Now, if you're getting paid regularly, whether it's a paycheck, a government benefit, or even freelance gigs, setting up direct deposit is like hitting the jackpot. It's fast, it's free, and it's automatic. All you gotta do is give your employer or whoever's paying you your Chime account and routing number. They'll take care of the rest. Boom, money magically appears in your account. But what if you don't have a regular paycheck? Don't worry, there are other options. The next popular way to fund your Chime card is by transferring money from another bank account. Most banks let you transfer money electronically, and it usually happens pretty quickly. It's like sending money to a friend, but instead, you're sending it to yourself. Now, if you're more of a cash person, there's a way to do that too, but it's a little less convenient. You can actually deposit cash at certain retail stores. It's not as widespread as ATMs, but there are places like Walgreens and CVS where you can do it. You'll need the Chime app to generate a barcode, and then you take your cash to the store. It's a bit more of a process, but it works. So, there you have it. The three main ways to load up your Chime card. Direct deposit for the easy life, bank transfers for a bit more flexibility, and cash deposits for when you're old school. Now, before you go, a quick tip, always check the fees. Some banks or retail stores might charge you a fee for transferring or depositing money. So, do your research and find the cheapest or best option for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving or spending.